So in this video, I will show you how to connect your project to a database. So if you already know about E3, you will find out that there's no difference between E3 and Elipse Power about how to connect your project to a database. You still have one database folder in which you can insert database connection. Then here DB1, I'll just click on it, right click, property, and here I can choose database type, so I have access or Oracle or SQL Server. If I choose access type database, here I only have to write my database name. That's it, only name. But if you want to open this file later with access, you can add the extension mdb. Then you don't need to write password or use a password. Don't need. If you don't need to have a password, then you just can test the connection and the system will automatically create a database. Even you don't have access in your system, this way to connect to the DB is working. So even you don't have access in your computer, you can still use this way for your development purpose. But if you want to make a system for production purpose, which has a larger database requirement size for size, then you can choose the other type of database, which is like Oracle. In this case, you have to write the connection type and user and the password. But also, you can also use the Microsoft SQL Server. There is a free version you can use, which is called SQL Server Express from internet. This version has limit to 4 GB database, but you can use it for your development purpose since it's very similar with the full version, which has no limit in terms of size of the database. So in this case, you should install first your SQL server on your computer or on your network. Then you just can specify the server name, like here in my case is Julian PC. Then the server, the database name would be E3. So if I check carefully here in my SQL server, I have one database called E3. So I just can indicate here E3. Then I just can indicate the user and the password. And this connection is also successful. So now I can just record data in my database from the Alarm server or from historic or from storage.